On a horse. She promised him all sorts of wonderful things.
Food?
Anything he wants. Did you hear that? She just took him away.
Why didn't you go?
I don't know. She didn't ask me.
Food, everyone! Food! Wait for me!
Oh, wonderful. Yes, I'm coming.
Shouldn't we stop them?
Let them go. This is my handsome young friend. His name is Tyltyl.
How do you do?
He's been searching for the bluebird. These are all my friends. The greatest luxuries on earth. Tyltyl, you see that man?
Who is he?
That's the luxury of being rich. Beautiful. The luxury of loving oneself. The most enduring pleasure is to be satisfied with oneself. Tyltyl, over there, the most highly respected couple. The luxury of knowing nothing.
Nothing.
And the luxury of understanding nothing.
Nothing. Nothing.
Marvelous, aren't they? The luxury of eating when you're not hungry. The luxury of drinking when you're not thirsty.
How much money do you make?
Tyltyl, look. The luxury of doing nothing.
What does everyone do all day?
Do? Well, we occupy ourselves incessantly doing nothing. We never get a moment's rest. We must eat, we must drink, we must sleep. Oh, it's almost engrossing.
And is it fun?
Fun? Well, of course it is. That's all there is on this earth.
Which one are you?
Which one?
Which one of the luxuries?
That you'll know when you grow a little bit older.
There's Tyltyl. Perhaps we ought to wait here.
I thought you were such a brave little girl.
I'm not afraid.
What then?
I don't want to do anything wrong. Tyltyl, we didn't know where you'd gone.
Partridge, the best thing in the whole world.
Except French bread, of course. I've never seen anything like it. How crusty they are.
Oh, yum and fresh.
Are they? So beautiful.
Cakes. Look at those cakes.
I do what I like.
You're drunk.
Absolutely not.
Don't you recognize your mother's little elf when you see it?
You're right, Mommy, yes. But much prettier.
Oh, at home, perhaps. Sometimes it doesn't show. But here you see everything, and it is the truth.
Your dress. How rich it is.
All mothers are rich when they love their children.
Yes, it's you. Now I see.
Yes.
Oh, and there's the wedding ring you always wear.
Yes.
And there's the burn you got lighting the fire. How soft your hands are. How white. And your voice is so gentle.
Oh, at home there's too much to do and no time. I wonder if you'll know me in my old everyday dress when you come back to the cottage.
But I don't want to go back to the cottage. Why can't we stay here with you?
But I'm with you wherever you are. You came here only to realize and to know how to see me when you see me at home.
But it's so beautiful here. Please let us stay.
There. There she is. You must hurry. Oh, I love you. Go on, little one. You must hurry.
To all trees present, greetings! Our enemy is coming to deliver himself into your hands. Tyltyl, the woodcutter's son, is seeking the bluebird, which you've kept hidden from man ever since the beginning of time, and who alone knows our secret. Who speaks? Who speaks? The dog? Oh, of course he's coming. There's no keeping him away. Bribe him? That's impossible. Master, I'm so happy to see you.
What are you doing here?
I ran ahead to announce your arrival. Oh, we'll get the bluebird this time, I'm sure.
Have you seen her?
Oh, no, but I've asked the trees to help us. They want to talk to you. Turn the diamond, Tyltyl. The trees will help you. Turn the diamond.